Hi and welcome back to Find a Pick. I'm Warren, your host, and thank you for following this journey along with me as we discover the art of lockpicking and the fun and the agony attached to it. Stay tuned. We're going to have a tackle at this Sanlic 266. Right, so we're going to have a look at this lock. It's a brass lock, hardened, shackle. It was really bad, really dirty, and I gave it a good polish. If you hang around to the very end, you'll see how I gave it a polish and cleaned it up a bit. Still lots to do. The inside is still rusty, it's still not working properly, but we're going to see if we can pick it. I have a 30-70 chance of picking it. I don't always succeed. It doesn't seem to want to play ball with me always. Somehow it knows that once I pick it, then it gets camera shy because it knows it's going to end up on the camera. Let's see. Firstly, the name Find a Pick. It's kind of in conjunction with another website that I run called findaguide.co.za. It's for registered tour guides. And so I thought, what name can I have that is in line with my other website, but also is in line with this new hobby of mine, this channel, to find a pick. And one of the hardest things for me at the beginning and now is to realize, what do I actually use to pick a lock, and which one of these does the job. And that's why I decided on Find a Pick, because you've got to find the right pick for the job, otherwise you're never going to get in. Okay, so enough of that. Let's have a look at this lock. Let's see what it takes to get in here. Let's see if we can shimmy it. I don't think we will be able to, because it is so rusted inside here, so it is not as smooth, and I think if it was still relatively new, it would be easier. The tolerances is pretty narrow. You can't get it around there, you see, there's just no way. I mean, I'd have to get one of these down by the sides. I could barely get it down on one side. Yeah, no, it's, unless this state-of-the-art even if this is thinner, it's going to be too weak, and it's not going to get down there. So bypassing or using this is a shimmy, it's not going to work. Our next option is to try and bypass it. I used a saw blade, hacksaw blade, and put a point on it, glued a little handle on it, filed it down, out of frame, filed it down, and I've opened about 6 or 7 locks already using this as a bypass knife. So let's see if we can bypass the Sanlic 266. Let's see, let's press the pins in all the way to the back. No, I bent this, but there's definitely, no, it's definitely shielded at the back, so well, we'll have to straighten that. We'll have to take that to work and straighten it. Probably going to break it by the time I straightened it. Alright, so that ain't going to work. Alright, so let's see if we can SPP it. Let's hope it plays ball. I did just open it about 10 minutes ago before I started on this video. So let's see if we can open it again. Really soft tension, and 5-pinner. Let's see what we can do. Something on number 4 there. Number 5's got a little bit of a click. This lock has a lot of clicks, but I think it's more because the inside is sticking, and so when you push it, it actually just makes a noise to push it in. I had 1 or 2 pins there. I don't think there's any security pins here. It's something on 1. There's nothing on 2. 3's got a little bit of a click. 4 is ever so little. I think on 5, come to the front one. 1 is set. 2 has still got nothing. 3's got nothing. 4's got nothing. 5 has got nothing. 4's got nothing. 3's got nothing. 2's got nothing. And 1's got nothing. But she's not open. Yeah, this is what I have. Let me try it. Put some extra. Let's just reset the lock. Yep, it's closed. Let's try again. Patience. Patience. I'm teaching myself patience. I need to have patience to try and open these locks. Yeah. I did just open it, but I think she's camera shy. Okay. Yeah, they click on 1. Nothing on 2. 3's got nothing. 4 pushed. That's 5. Let's try 1 again. 2. 3. Guess I overset something. No, one more try. Let's one more try. A little bit more tension. Okay, that's 1. 1 looks good. There's a lot of scratching inside there, but I don't think that's more, that's just sticking in. So I think that sticking is stopping the pins from dropping back out, and so I'm kind of oversetting them without having a choice. I did find that when I set it like this and then I ran it up, oh, it's so close, that actually turned, the core turned. My pick's popping out. No, I lost it there. No, alright, this isn't working. Let's hope for the best. Let's try give it a rake. This is the only rake I have. There's a little single bump, camel bump. Let's see if we can rake it open so we're not completely embarrassed. Alright, yeah. Ah yes, okay. As you can see, rake's open rather easily. And it's just there by pin number 2. Pin number 2, can you see how it's pretty rusted inside there. And to get myself a little torch, I haven't got that far yet. But yeah, I think it's pin number 2. So we're going to count this a win. Oops, sorry for the camera. We're going to count this a win because we got it open, although we had to rake it open. So we will be bringing her back once we've played with it a bit more, but we put some DW40 or something like that down here, just loosen it up, and we'll try SPP it again. Thanks for watching. I'm glad you came to watch. I hope you enjoy it, and stay tuned. You can see me clean this lock up. I'll put some extra video at the end, just in case you'd like to watch me clean up this lock, just to see how bad it was, how I gave it a bit of a sand. I didn't do a very good job, still pretty bad, but I just wanted to make it a little bit easier and a little bit better for me. So enjoy your Sunday. It's a good day. Thanks, and stay safe. Okay, so we've got the Sanlic 266. It's in really bad condition. I'm going to give it a bit of a sand, attach it on here, the G-clamp, and give it a bit of a sand, see if we can make it look a bit better, and then we'll pick it. Okay, so we've got this 1200 gauge ebony paper. Let's see what we can do here. I don't have the key, so I don't want to close it up again, because then I've got to pick it open again, which doesn't always happen. Just try to take some of the rust off. Make the lock look a bit better. It's very, very old lock. You can see the marks on the lock. You can see the, obviously where the chain has been. Okay, let's unclamp it and have a look at see what we can do with the actual brass. Here's what it starts like, and that's what it ends like. So we go this side. Of course, if I had a puffing machine or one of those things, probably would be a lot easier, which I don't have. Right, let's get a cloth, give that a bit of a wipe, see what she looks like. Ah, much better, got a nice shine on it. That's much better. Still could do with a lot more work, very rusted inside there. But we need to, I'm tempted to use 220, but it's not really the right thing to use in here. It's really rusted. And there you have it, a nice shiny old brass lock.